This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Suzanne Simpson. Less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01012112. Amazing home on 4.99 acres. Incredible mostly level property with 4 bedroom 4 bath 3,000 square feet. Home on 4.99 acres of gorgeous land. This property also has a separate building/workshop with full bath that could be used for endless opportunities such as in-law quarters, personal business or so much more. The home has 2 master suites, skylights, hardwood floors, granite countertops, custom ceilings, arched entryways and French doors leading out to the spacious patio from the living room and master suite. 2 bonus rooms upstairs have lots of possibilities to be used as a family room, game room, office or whatever you might choose. Perfect for extra sleeping areas as well. Home is set up as an energy-efficient smart home with many custom features that make this home unique. The covered front porch and patio are wired for fans and special lighting, and the barbecue is plumbed with gas. RV and boat storage under a huge pole barn, and also has a dump station for RVs. Large brick patio and arbor only add to your outdoor enjoyment and entertaining. This property is fenced and zoned for large animals with beautiful trees for shade and automatic sprinkler system for your convenience. Just imagine sitting on the front porch overlooking the meadow and watching the gorgeous sunsets. Don't miss out on this captivating property in a perfect location. Give us a call today. For more information, review the details below or contact Suzanne Simpson. Less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01012112 at 209-586-5200.